6, and it's a problem solving. Jake buys 2 lamb chops and 2 sausages and pays £7 for them. So 2 lamb chops and 2 sausages. At the same time, Jamie buys 3 lamb chops and 4 sausages for £11. How much does a sausage cost? So let us consider L, the cost of the lamb and the lamb chop, and S, the cost of the sausage, and we have to build a system of equations. So we start with 2 lambs, so 2L, plus 2 sausages, which is 2S, equals to £7, and 3L plus 4S is equal to 11. Now here we need to use the method of elimination in order for us to find the answer. The method of elimination goes like this. We need to eliminate one of these variables, either the L or the S, and in order to eliminate them we need to have the same coefficient with opposite signs. So if I look at S here, I see that the coefficient of S is 4 and the coefficient of S in the first equation is 2. So in order for me to eliminate S, I need to make the 2 minus 4, because if I calculated minus 4S plus 4S, I can remove the S and I would have one equation with one unknown L. So I start by multiplying all of the equation here by minus 2, and this what we will get. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4L, and minus 2 times 2 is minus 4S, equals to minus 14. And we keep this equation the same. 3L plus 4S is equal to 11. Now we add both equations. So minus 4S plus 4S gives me 0S, so S now is not found anymore. Minus 4L plus 3L is minus 1L, which is equal to minus 14 plus 11 is minus 3. I don't want the value of minus L, I want the value of L. Therefore, I multiply by minus 1. So L is equal to £3. Remember that L is the representation of the cost of the lamb. 1 lamb chop. Now we need to find the cost of the sausage. Therefore, I take 3 and I replace it in either one of these equations, and I get the value of the sausage. Since S here has a coefficient which is smaller than this equation, which is 4, so I prefer to replace in equation 1. So 2 replace in equation 1. So this is equation 1. 2 times 3 plus 2S is equal to 7. So 2S is equal to 7 minus 6. So S is equal 1 over 2. Therefore, the value of the sausage is 1 over 2 pounds. 1 over 2 pounds equals to 0.5 pounds, which is equal to 50 P's. Another word problem is number 13, and we start with it. The sum means plus in math, of two numbers, so we're going to have to call these two numbers or variables. let's say A and B. The sum of two numbers is 23, so let me write it as A and B. So A plus B is equal to 23. Then they said that the difference of these two numbers is 5. So A minus B equals 5. Regarding that A is greater than B, so that we would have a positive answer, which is 5. Let the two numbers be x and y. So they already gave us x and y as the variables. Sometimes they don't give you the variables as they don't assign the variables. You have to assign them like I did. So since they assigned it, let's go by their variables. So this is x and y, and this is x and y, and it means that x should be greater than y. Write two equations. So we already wrote two equations, and solve them to find the two numbers. So in order to find these two numbers, let's again use the method elimination. Now, if you're going to ask me, can we use substitution? Yes, we can use substitution. You find x in terms of y, and then you replace the value of x in the first equation. So this is what I will do now, and I will also solve it using elimination. So 5 plus y is equal to 23. Therefore 2y is equal to 23 minus 5. Y is equal to 18 over 2, which is equal to 9. So when y is 9, replace it to get x. 5 plus 9 equals to 14. So the solution, by using the method substitution, x is 14 and y is 9. Now let us work, or let us use the method elimination. So as I mentioned before, elimination is when you eliminate one variable and find the value of the other. And here elimination is very easy because they already gave you plus 1y and minus 1y. So when I add both equations, I get 2x 0y equals to 28. So how much is x? It's 28 over 2, which is equal to 14. Now I take the 14 and replace it in either one of these equations. So if I have replace it in equation 1. So this is equation 1. 14 plus y equals to 23. So y is equal 23 minus 14. So y is equal to 9. As you notice, we have the same solution in either methods.